Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to learn some useful English phrases to talk about likes and dislikes. Whether you're having a casual conversation or just want to express your preferences in English, these phrases will help you sound natural and confident. So, let's dive right in. Section 1, Phrases to express likes. First, let's start with how to express things you like. You can say simple things like, I like, example, I like coffee in the morning. I love, example, I love going to the beach. Explain that love is a stronger way to express likes. I really enjoy. Example, I really enjoy reading mystery novels. I'm into. Example, I'm into hiking and outdoor activities. Explain this is a casual way to say you like something. I'm a big fan of. Example, I'm a big fan of action movies. Section 2, Phrases to express dislikes. Now let's move on to dislikes. Here are some common ways to express that you don't like something. I don't like. Example, I don't like spicy food. I hate. Example, I hate getting up early. Mention that hate is a very strong word and should be used carefully. I'm not really into. Example, I'm not really into video games. I'm not a big fan of. Example, I'm not a big fan of rainy days. Isn't my thing. Example, camping isn't really my thing. Section 3, Using prefer for comparisons. Another great way to express likes and dislikes is by using the word prefer. This helps you compare two things. I prefer. 2. Example, I prefer tea to coffee. I'd rather. Than. Example, I'd rather stay home than go out tonight. Section 4, Polite ways to express dislikes. Sometimes you want to be polite when expressing dislikes. Here are some softer phrases. I'm not a huge fan of. Example, I'm not a huge fan of horror movies. It's not my favorite. Example, sushi? It's not my favorite, but I'll eat it. It's okay, but. Example, the concert was okay, but I prefer live theater. Section 5, Practice time. Now it's your turn. I'll say a few things, and I want you to practice responding with one of the phrases we've learned today. Ready? Let's go. Pizza. Going to the gym. Cold weather. And that's it for today's video on how to talk about likes and dislikes in English. I hope you found these phrases useful. Try using them in your next conversation to practice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips on learning English. Leave a comment below with something you like and something you dislike. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.